everybody, this is Linda Bartolucci with Ink Stamp and Scrap. Thanks for watching today. We are going to talk about my retired product sale that is going to take place this Saturday, May 15th, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. It's completely online. You're able to do it from the comfort of your own home. And today I'm going to start with my stamps preview. Now, if you're watching this inside the private sales Facebook group, great, you're in the right place, and all the information that you need will be posted in this group on a regular basis. If you're watching on YouTube and you want to get more details, use the link below to join our private Facebook group so that you'll get all the up-to-date details on what's going on with the sale. All right, so for this first video, I'm going to go through the standalone stamp sets that will be available for sale starting at 8 a.m. this Saturday. I've arranged them in alphabetical order, and I'm just going to show you the cover of the stamp set and then the inside just so you can see the condition. Most of these stamp sets are used. Some of them only 1 or 2 stamps, some of them lots of stamps. So Beautiful Day is the first stamp set I have for sale. The prices are all listed in my my sale flyer that, again, you can download either from the Facebook group. You would have received it in an email today if you're on my email list, or also you can find a link to that download in my YouTube description below. Beautiful Friendship is our second stamp set, and I use this a lot. It's a beautiful photopolymer stamp set. Berry Blessings is the next one. This is unused. This was from this year's celebration. Buffalo Check, loved this one. Gonna miss it quite a bit. It's a single standalone background stamp. Cute Fruit was in the beginning brochure from last year, something that Stampin' Up! Has decided not to continue. And Darling Donkeys was a stamp set from Celebration this year. If you're interested in how you're going to get these stamps, I'm going to pause in a moment and tell you, or you can look below in the description on the timeline to just speed ahead to that. Healing Hugs is another retiring stamp from, it actually started 2 catalogs ago, and I did use it quite a bit and enjoy it, but it's in good shape. Here's a Card is a great stamp set for both the inside and the outside of your greeting cards. It's got a lot of love, but it's clean and ready for a new home. Itty Bitty Birthdays is a great one to have. We all know we have so many birthday cards to create, and this covers everything, including accidentally missing a birthday. And last in this stack, although I have more stamps to show you, is Joyful Holiday. This is a stamp set from the holiday catalog that ended in January of 2021. All right, let's talk for just a minute about how the retired product sale is going to work. So right now, if you're on my email list or in the Facebook group, you have the ability to download the sales flyer. It's also linked in the description below, and that gives you a preview of everything that's going to be for sale. At 8 a.m. on Saturday, I will turn on the sales page on my website, and the link will be located in the Facebook group as well as via email. So you can join my email group or you can join the Facebook group to get the link to the sales page. On that sales page, it will be a form that you just check off everything that you're interested in getting, and then I will invoice you for the items that you asked for. You'll pay for the invoice, and I will ship your products. The only catch is that, for example, the next stamp set I'm going, the next stamp set I'm going to talk about is Life is Beautiful. So we'll use this as an example. Say you're the very first form I receive electronically. And if you ask for Life is Beautiful, it's guaranteed to be on your invoice. If you're the 5th, 6th, 20th, 30th invoice I receive, and you ask for Life is Beautiful, and no one before you did, it's yours. But if someone before you did, I will skip that item and I will not invoice you for it. So the best thing that you can do is use my flyer, check off your wish list, and then as early as possible on Saturday, turn your flyer into that online form, click submit, which sends it right to me with a timestamp. I'll know exactly what order they come in, and I'll process the invoices as I receive them. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video, and I'll be happy to answer it. So let's continue with the stamps. Life is Beautiful was a I do believe it was in the mini catalog, in the holiday catalog. It did not make it into the annual. Making a Difference is a stamp set that I actually never used. It was a reward stamp set to me. It's got a full alphabet, upper and lowercase, with different fonts, lots of fun little phrases. Super good for, definitely needs a good home. So this is going to be a great deal to catch on a retired price. Make a Medallion. It was a celebration stamp from a previous celebration. Lots of fun to use. All of these layer together really nicely. Many Mates, use this a bunch. Again, inside card and outside card greeting for lots of occasions. A good all occasion stamp set to have. Massive thanks for those of you that love to send lots of thank you cards. This takes care of every reason you'd want to thank somebody, and it has a lot of different fonts, and I used it quite a bit, but I cleaned it up well, and it's ready to ship. Memorable Mosaics discontinued a catalog ago, but I still have it available for sale. I used it quite a bit, really enjoyed it, and now it just needs a good home. Pattern Play was only available in last year's catalog. It's got some great background creation stamps, and then Hue the confetti and fill the day with all your guilty pleasures. Really fun to use. Did not get a ton of use by me, so it'll be great for you to decorate your cards and other projects. Press On was in the the holiday mini catalog, and I was really sad that it didn't go any farther than that. I used it quite a bit. I love making cards with a coffee theme to them, and this was great for that. Punch Party was the hostess set during the celebration promotion this year, and it coordinates with a lot of different punches, and you can also just fussy cut if you want to. Some great greetings that extend it not only for thanks and happy birthday and getting well, but also other things. So definitely a good one to use, completely new and ready for your home. I have one last stack of stamps. The next one is, let's go in alphabetical order, is Seriously the Best. If you've watched me at all, you know I love this stamp set. I love the big words, and I've used it quite a bit. It's going to be a wonderful addition to your stamp collection. This one too, so sentimental. You've got thank you, get well, happy birthday, lots of great greetings to use to decorate your cards. Swirly Frames is a great basic stamp set. It makes it so that you don't even need to use as much cardstock because you can use stamped images to frame your greetings and other images that you stamp on your cards. The Gangs Almere was one of the most popular stamp sets that Stampin' Up! Ever created, and this is the last one I have that is unused and ready for a new home. The Right Triangle gives you fun rectangular backgrounds to use on your cards, along with these scattered ones that are great fillers. The nice thing about the Right Triangle is that because that's what it is, it's super easy to fussy cut, and it'll look professional every time. A Touch of Ink was one of the celebration stamp sets this year, and it is a two-step stamp. So you have a background and a detail for all four of these images, and then a lot of great sayings, including my favorite, Thinking of You, because that just covers everything. And this stamp set is unused and ready for a good home. So that takes care of the stamp portion, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be all the bundles that I have available.